CB2104 is a conveyor that was established 2014. It's designed to bring feed from both Western Turner 1 and Western Turner 2 through to Tom Price to the stockpiles. It hasn't been changed out since its establishment in 2014, so it's been a matter of planning for the last 4 years with a few different projects that made up the actual belt pool itself.
The project started with a challenging time frame due to the length of the belt being 25 kilometres, the longest within the business.
The first stage was flaking out the 23 kilometres of belt. Then the second stage of the change out was to replace the old belt with the new belt. To complete that works, we hooked up pony drives to the current drive system to assist in the belt pull. And then we spliced the old belt to the new belt and pulled the new belt on with the old belt.
To meet August's shutdown deadline, our sustaining capital team needed to get all 40 reels of the belt spliced and flaked at the pace of 3 days per reel, equivalent to 120 days of work.
Given no feed from Western Turner 1 or Western 2 can be fed to Tom Price without 2104 running, it's a critical component for both plant and production and is a significant source of revenue for the business. The design consultants were BG&E and they've been involved in the project for the last 4 to 5 years. And their delivery team was Monadelphous, using Continentals as a subcontractor.
Working closely with Rio Tinto and equipment specialists Continental, BG&E were able to identify an innovative approach to develop layouts that both maximise the efficiency of the belt changeout and also minimise the impact on plant, existing road networks, threat to loss of production, as well as the requirement for shutdown.
BG&E Resources supported Rio Tinto on the project's journey from optioneering, equipment selection and detailed design through to implementation and closeout support. This has been a complex multidisciplinary brownfields project which has been in part so successful with our one-team approach between Rio Tinto Sustaining Capital and BG&E Resources.
We had the right people involved, a lot of maturity showing. We brought the belt change in 52 to 54 hours early, which enabled us to bring our shut back on time safely without incident.
25,000 hours reportable injury-free is a huge success for the project due to the nature of the works. The belt is in operation now behind us and it's very relieving for both myself and the Sustaining Capital team and the operation team, I'm sure. Let's hope it keeps running for the next 10 years until it's time to change it out again next.
I would like to thank my team, the contracting partners Monadelphous, Continental, BG&E Resources, as well as the site operationals teams for their invaluable contribution to the success of this project.